What's going on, guys? Welcome to another one. So today's an exciting day because I've just picked up my freshly serviced bike and headed straight to the local trails at Plenty Gorge.
Not sure if you saw in my last video, but had a bit of a fall at Ignition Mountain Bike Festival and broke a few things on the bike. Originally I thought it was just the lever, but turns out the derailleur got quite a bit of a hit. So the shop basically said to me, take it out, see how it's shifting. We've replaced the hanger, but there might still be some issues with the cage that's slightly bent. So the goal for today is head out on trails, make sure the derailleur's shifting great, and see how we go. So yeah, let's do it. Thanks, guys. Feeling pretty good so far.
And it really was at this point. That was until I spent a bit more time riding it.
So I'm actually noticing a little bit of clicking in some of the gears. Well, actually not really some, it's just one, to be honest. But it's climbing fine.
Rewatching some of this footage back, I realised that the shifting is actually quite good for the amount of damage that's been done. I've smacked this thing so many times and honestly it's held up pretty well. So I just tried sessioning that jump there in that last clip that you saw, and yeah, my weight's all over the shop. It's not going great, but that's all right. We'll keep practicing. But long story short, I'm going to call the ride here. The derailleur's all right. Obviously, it's not, you know, how it would be out of the box in pristine condition because it's been smacked a few times or more than a few times. So, but to be honest, I'm pretty happy. I don't have to fork out $600 for a new one. So, yeah. The next video you'll probably see after this is I'm going to do a bit of a tour of my bike and give you my thoughts on how it's been riding. It's not a review as such, it's more just a here's my thoughts on the bike and take from it what you will sort of thing. So yeah, if you enjoy these videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.